Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we want to look at the Bitcoin chart and see where it is now after everything that's kind of happened geopolitically and kind of economically as well just now. So, situation is, Russia kind of invaded Ukraine. We kind of knew that was going to, well, we thought that might happen. And I said last week, as soon as that happens, you're going to get a big dip in the stock market and you're going to get a big dip with Bitcoin as well, but then it's going to go back up once they've actually invaded. Mainly because there's nothing that America can do, there's nothing that Britain can do or Europe can do with regards to putting troops in place. Or they can't do any airstrikes, they can't do anything like that at all. They can put sanctions in place, but there's nothing really they can do just now. So I think everybody gets spooked at first and goes, oh my God, this could be the beginning of World War III. But then you go, well, actually it's not. They're invading Ukraine and there's nothing the rest of the world can do, which is ridiculous. But because Ukraine are not part of NATO, then they can't actually do anything, or that really would cause a war. And then you're going to get kind of not just Russia involved, you'd probably get China involved and everybody else. But this story is still unfolding just now. We don't know what Russia's going to do just now, and we still need to obviously defend what they're doing as much as we can. So this is not fully played out yet, and I'm still not totally bullish on the kind of Bitcoin market just now. However, it did jump back up like we said it was gonna, and it did jump back up again. As soon as the kind of Russian kind of struck and they invaded, this is where it came right down to 34,000. I thought it might go down to 29,000, and it still might, but we're still kind of bearish just now. But sentiment is actually better today and yesterday evening as well. The sentiment was better, but I'm still thinking we're going to come down to and stay in and around this 35,000 because it's still jittery just now. We don't know what's going to happen, what Russia are going to do. So if they do something else unexpected, we can see this coming right back down to 35,000 again and coming down to that $29,000 area. I keep on thinking it's going to fall down to. So we'll soon see this area here. It's not done that yet, but we'll see if it does it. But on the other side of it, flip side, if this goes over 39,000 and stays there, if this closes on the daily over 39,000, then there's a case for a kind of bullish side to this as well. I don't think it's going to do that, but this could shoot up as well. This could shoot up and go up to 40, 41, 42. So it's really either or just now, but kind of a lot of it is geopolitical as well. However, as I said the other day in the kind of video, once kind of Russia's, we know what's kind of happening there and we can put things in place, and we know they're not going to invade other countries surrounding that are part of NATO, which is totally different because we would then have to kind of put troops in there as well as do airstrikes, as well as do kind of naval stuff as well. That's a totally different situation. So if that happens, then we're going right back down. But if not, and this is a long and protracted kind of Russian invasion into Ukraine, which is not good, obviously, but with regards to the crypto market, then it could give the crypto market time to go up as well. So I think that's what's going to happen, but we could see this still coming down to 35,000 again, touching that, and then dipping down to 29,000. Again, I don't know why it would. I don't know why we're so kind of bullish at the moment. So I'm thinking this is kind of a false reading almost. And whilst it's good, and we've seen a lot of the stocks go up, or the projects going up, that's brilliant. But it's still bearish as long as it's below 39,000. Once it goes over and closes above 39,000, then I would be bullish on it and saying, okay, it's time to look at what we can get into again. So when it closes, if it closes over 39,000, then I would be kind of more inclined to be bullish. So I would feel much more bullish, not much more bullish, but I'd still feel bullish at that stage if it closed over the 39,000. Anything below 39,000, still bearish on, and I still see as we could be in this channel between 35 and 39,000 until things get sorted out. If we do go over that, we'd be looking at going up to 45,000 if we close above the 39,000, I think, over the weekend. We could see a scenario where we shoot up to 45,000 and then start coming back down again, which would be pretty amazing given what's happening just now. But there's the two cases. We've got, I'm thinking at the moment, it's looking rather bullish compared to where it was a couple of days ago. And then you just go, right, where are we going to go from here? It's really kind of undecided. And it's really quite interesting to see where it goes from here as well. So look at the end of the day, the close of play today. If it's above 39,000, then we're kind of bullish scenario. If it's below 39,000, we're kind of bearish scenario still. Okay, that's it for just now. Until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.